How many screws should be used to secure a uPVC frame?
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing an important question that often arises when working with uPVC frames. How many screws should be used to secure a uPVC frame? This is crucial to ensure the stability and longevity of your uPVC frame installation, so let's dive right in and find out the answer.
Factors to consider.
Before we determine the exact number of screws required, let's consider a few factors that can influence the decision. The size and weight of the uPVC frame, as well as the specific installation requirements, will play a significant role.
Manufacturer's recommendations.
When installing a uPVC frame, it's always advisable to consult the manufacturer's recommendations. They provide valuable information regarding the number and placement of screws required to secure the frame effectively. These recommendations are often based on extensive testing and engineering expertise, so they should be followed for optimal results.
General guidelines.
In the absence of specific manufacturer recommendations, we can provide some general guidelines based on industry practices. Typically, a minimum of 2 screws per side is used to secure a uPVC frame. These screws are usually positioned at the top and bottom, but additional screws may be needed depending on the size and weight of the frame.
Frame size and weight considerations.
For larger and heavier uPVC frames, additional screws may be necessary to ensure adequate support and stability. It's important to distribute the screws evenly across the frame to maintain balance. This helps prevent warping or distortion over time and ensures that the frame remains structurally sound.
Consult with a professional.
If you're unsure about the number of screws required or have specific installation challenges, it's best to consult with a professional installer. They have the expertise and experience to assess your particular situation and provide precise recommendations tailored to your needs. And there you have it. When securing a uPVC frame, it's crucial to consider factors such as the manufacturer's recommendations, frame size and weight, and the need for professional advice. Remember, using an adequate number of screws is vital for the stability and longevity of your uPVC frame installation. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and see you next time.